Hi friends, now you seeing Mistake Channel. So in this video I am going to show you how to make a simple 12 volts short preventive circuit using 12 volts relay. So let's get started guys. You can see the materials required for this project. You can see guys. So I will show you guys. You can see the relay. You can see the relay. I will show you DC 12 volts. You can see guys, DC 12 volts. Yes, like that, DC 12 volts. And you need two any color LEDs. I used two color LEDs, red and green. You can see this is the green LED and this is the red LED. You can see it is connected in parallel connection. You can see the plus and plus are connected. You can see this is the LED and a micro push button. You can see push button, not switch, and a 1k resistor guys, 1k ohms resistor, and a battery clip. In place of battery clip you can use 12 volts battery guys, and you need a 2 wires, small pieces, and 9 volts battery. I am using for testing guys, so I am using 9 volts battery. You can use 12 volts battery guys direct. And now I will show you the process how we can connect. First you have to know the poles. So NO and NC, normally open, normally closed, and these are the coil wires 2, and middle one is the common. You can see guys, coil wires and NO, normally open, normally closed, and common coil wires, 2 coil wires. You can see the relay connections, and you can see take the LEDs guys, and you can see we have to connect one of the LED minus to red LED minus to the NC, and green LED minus to the NO guys. That's it, we have to connect that. Okay. So you can see guys, I connected the LEDs to the relay. You can see the connection, and then take a 1k resistor, and then we have to add this guys for the LED plus, and one to the coil pin guys, coil pin and LED plus guys. You can see I soldered the resistor, 1k resistor, and then take the push button. You can see micro switch. You can see guys, connect this like this. You can see one of the pole to the common and one of the pole to the coil. I connected guys. You can see I soldered it, push button, and then take a battery clip and then solder the minus wire of the battery clip to the common of the relay, and then plus of the battery clip to the resistor guys. Here you can see here resistor. I soldered this clip guys, battery clip. Now you have to take 2 wires guys, small wires. You can see these are the output wires guys, and you can see we have to connect the minus to the, you can see minus, you can see NO, we have to connect to the NO, and plus to the resistor guys. That's it. You can see I connected all the connections, and this is the testing time. So I connected the 9 volts battery guys. You can see red LED is glowing. You can see now we don't get the output guys. When we press the button we can get output. I will show you in multimeter. You can see when I keep the multimeter also the voltage is not coming back. When I click the button you can see green light is glowing. Now you can see I shorted this, the circuit will be turned off. When we short the 2 wires the circuit will be turned off. Again we have to turn on the switch. You can see now I will show you the voltage. You can see I connected to the multimeter. You can see guys, voltage is coming when in green light. If we short these wires guys, it will go to red light and the voltage won't come guys. You can see, yes, when it goes to the red light the voltage won't come. You can see, you can understand this very easily. So thanks for watching.